welcome back to Three Stone Arts. This is Justin, and in today's video we are finishing up the Elder Wand project. I know it's been a while, thanks for being patient. Some pretty amazing stuff has been happening in my academic and professional life lately that have pulled me away from the channel a bit, but I've used the Christmas and New Year's holidays to edit and make a bunch of videos that are going to be coming out, so hopefully you're subscribed and you'll be able to see those as they premiere on the channel. Here I'm going in and using a popsicle stick, which may seem a little odd, but even whenever I'm trying to replicate something like this store-bought version of the wand, which I snuck out and took some photos with at a local bookstore, I like to try and use tools that I can make no matter where I am. I found for a while that I had to use a very specific tool to do a very specific thing, and if I didn't have it, I didn't feel comfortable. Real quick though, this little fella may cause some issues in the comments section. I know I have some friends that are very, very picky about their paintbrushes, and seeing a dirty, abused brush like this kind of sets them on edge. So I want to address it, and I want to talk about why real quick before I jump back in to the other part of the video. I've got 4 or 5 brushes that I don't clean, and I don't clean them because they're my wear brushes. They're my dirtying things up and aging brushes. One's for wood, one's for rust, there's a metal one, there's a couple just general dirtying things up brushes, and I don't wash them. I think it's interesting whenever the paint from a previous project reactivates a bit. You know, acrylic, which is what I'm using here, it's a water-based paint, and sometimes whenever you let a brush get very dirty like that, if it's fresh enough, the paint will reactivate and add color in ways that you don't expect. And when you're just trying to age something, those little unexpected touches sometimes make the whole paint job. Also, if there's little chunks of dried paint that get put on to the piece, all the better. Again, you're just trying to age it. So, just a quick explanation before people in the comments are like, how dare you treat a brush in this way, and all that. You know, you can say that. Also, if you're an artist or a prop maker or a maker or a hobbyist or whatever, and you have an interesting little trick or quirk like mine not cleaning certain brushes, let me know about it in the comments. I think it's kind of fascinating, and sometimes it's a great learning experience as well. But anyway, to get back to what we were talking about before. So we had been discussing not being overly attached to specialized tools, and that is something I think is important. I actually teach my sculpture students how to make their own tools so that they don't get stuck, even if they're doing something as simple as this, with using anything specialized. I just think it's handy to be able to pick up a popsicle stick or a toothpick and do a whole sculpture. So you saw briefly there the store-bought version versus my version. This is my version, and in comparing the two, mine has some major differences from the store-bought version. I have to say, I do like the store-bought version better, at least the forms and the thinness of it. But I think, I think that I like my runes a bit better, and here's a side-by-side so that you can see them. To me, it doesn't matter. You know, I bought the store-bought version that day, but I took those photos with the black layer of paint, but I didn't use it. I only used the photos, and that was really fun. It was interesting to sort of understand the ideas behind the prop, and I'm really happy that you joined me for this video, and if you're interested, subscribe so that you can see future videos as well. Until then, thanks so much, and stay creative.